Well, there's a former gas station employee that has been fired. Who's the manager because the gas prices are supposed to be $6.99, and he accidentally listed it at 69 cents, and he has been fired, and the gas station lost $16,000 because people were like, 69 cents for gas, and they went and pumped up.
I wonder when he started realizing it was the line down the street wrapped around the building multiple times.
Probably.
Thinking, what's going on here?
I'm like, man, I'm doing a good job as manager. This place is packed. And then the family's worried he could be sued by the company, and they set up a GoFundMe page. We do have our official attorney, Lisa Lanier. Good morning, Lisa.
Hey, this is a great story, and this poor guy, his face, I've actually color printed his face, and the little logo thing from the gas station and everything. 'Cause every time my son in the future says to me, I'm never going to use this math in real life, I'm going to show him that picture because this poor guy, he put the decimal in the wrong spot. We just covered that last year with my son's math homework. And he was griping the whole time. But I'm telling you, this is poor guy, but the thing is, he does not owe that money back to the gas station. And I know the family was worried about that, and they set up the GoFundMe. But there's protections in the state where he is, and actually in most states. He's in California, but in most states, that basically employees are protected from legal liability when they make mistakes while performing their normal job duties. It's different if you steal. That's a whole different story.
Right.
Then we'll owe it back. But if you're just making a mistake in the performance of your duties and it costs the company money, you're not going to owe that company money in the majority of states.
What about the fact that he got fired and now his attorney is trying to, from what I understand, sue for wrongful termination so he can get his job back at the gas station?
He's not getting his job back at the gas station.
Okay.
No.
I mean, do you think he should have been fired, though? I mean, if you think about it, it was a mistake. So is that?
It was a huge mistake.
Is that what you have to do is fire somebody? It's not like the next employee that you get could obviously make the same mistake, and this guy surely doesn't seem like he would remake the mistake. I wouldn't think.
It's a judgment call on the part of the employer. I think he'd worked there a pretty long time. If some employers would chalk it up to, hey, mistakes happen, but I think $16,000 is a big mistake. And so I think a lot of employers would just say, nope, I can't risk that again. And the poor guy, he doesn't really have, I don't think, any kind of valid counterclaim against him. I think he's just probably posturing because he's just, right now he's just scratching and clawing, trying to, because who's going to hire him now?
I would hire him and promote it. I would say this is the guy that he's almost like a celebrity now.
He is.
And I would have a gas station do some kind of crazy promotion, and he would be the guy out there attracting all the people.
Yeah, do like a 69-cent promotion.
Yeah, hot dogs, everything.
69 cents.
Yeah.
He'd be the face of it, do like local commercials for it, yes.
Now, Lisa, let me ask you a question. Say there's a radio personality who plays something called Pop Quiz where $100 is up for grabs and she loses twice, and the company has lost $200. Do you think the company might let her go for $200?
Man, I don't think so. I think that's de minimis. That's de minimis.
Okay, good.
Oh, no, it's a lot of money.
I have a question about the GoFundMe.
True.
I know a lot of times with GoFundMes, if you raise money, you like for cancer or something, and someone doesn't have cancer, they get they can get a lot of legal backlash. Since they raised the money in case he gets sued, can he just keep that money now or?
Well, I think he called it. What I read was he called it for his legal fees too. Legal fees are possible. So I mean, he will, if he is trying to fight the termination, he'll have legal fees potentially. And I don't think that there's any reason anybody's going to sue him. But here's a thought: if he raised the money and he paid it back, then maybe would they consider giving him his job back? Because he's like, look, I made a mistake, but I made it right. And I got you a lot of attention.
Yeah.
And, and it could turn into positive attention because I think there has been some negative attention to the gas station being like, come on, man, anybody can make that mistake.
A lot, yeah.
Yeah,
The gas station apparently is not being perceived very good right now. A lot of people are sticking up for this guy.
Could you imagine making a mistake and then having to raise money to pay your former employer back to maybe them give you your job back? No, thanks. I'll go work somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly. Especially in this economy. Get a job anywhere.
And I don't think there's any circumstances now where they're going to take him back. It's just I think there's too much probably bad blood and water under the bridge.
Yeah, and then he can take his mistakes elsewhere and then make it at another gas station.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, as always, she's great. Official attorney of Jared and Katie in the Morning, Lisa Lanier. If you're ever injured on the job, contact her right away at hireaheavyweight.com.